There we go. Oh, look at that view. Very cool.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone is the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I want to stay here. Can we just stay here?
Hey everybody, welcome to Spearfish Canyon Road here just on the well, just outside of Spearfish, South Dakota. Now we just entered South Dakota this morning. It is about close to noon now. We are just entering Spearfish Canyon Road here, and this is one of the few roads that you have to drive through and do when you come through the Black Hills area of South Dakota. So we are here on July 21st, I think, 2024. It's a beautiful day. I think it's low 80s right now. It's supposed to be sunny with some clouds. And today we're just gonna do this drive through Spearfish Canyon and enjoy these views. I got a few spots we might stop. I don't think we're gonna do any hikes, but there's some spots we might stop and see along the way. But a lot of that, other than that, it's gonna be a lot of views. So it's a little bit of a different video for us, where it's gonna be driving and showing you these awesome views along the way through Spearfish Canyon as we spend the next few days here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. So let's go ahead and get to driving.
Maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all the lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. I just never looked your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Look into your eyes. Blue. When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things.
Okay, so first stop here is at Bridal Veil Falls, which I think we've been to one in North Carolina before. I think there's a lot of the Bridal Veil Falls, but this is all the parking that there is. It's not a whole lot. We're here in the middle of summer, but it seems like it's a very short stop. I think the falls are like right here. So we just cross the road, see the falls, and we come right back. So people are kind of coming in and out a lot. And there is some warning bumps before here that kind of warn you that something's coming up. So there was one hike back there that we skipped, and I don't think there's much else. So this is the first big thing if you're coming from the north side. Oh yeah, I could see some people walking up the trail here too, up on the rocks. So this will just be a quick stop to see the falls a little bit better. Micah enjoying his view of the camera, or himself in the camera. He enjoys the waterfalls, I think. So, not a ton of parking. I'm actually surprised that there's a lot of spots available. We are here on this is a Monday, right? Sunday? Oh, we're here on a Sunday, so I guess there should be more people here, but doesn't seem too bad for whatever reason.
Everybody was at Devil's Tower.
Yeah, I guess everybody's at Devil's Tower. So, okay, here we go. We got a nice little viewing platform, and we can see it from see if we can cross here safely. Good that way. There we go. Oh, look at that view. Very cool. And so apparently you can scurry across down there. And right down here. And go through the creek. And get it even closer if you want. I don't know that it's worth that. It's cool falls. I don't need to get my feet wet. I think that'd be my only thing. Somebody left their socks down there. Let's see if we got any cool information here. It's the flora and fauna. Let's see, we got one of those at our house. Wood lily. Okay. So this Spearfish Canyon, this is Spearfish Creek right here. So we're in Spearfish Canyon on Spearfish Canyon Road, and this is Spearfish Creek. Cool. Wow. Does Micah like it?
Yeah.
Cool. So that was a cool first stop. Let's go ahead, head back to our car, and get more of these awesome views I'm sure you were seeing between the last stop and now. Some really tall walls up here, and it's awesome views. So let's go ahead. Here is a parking area for a place called Devil's Bathtub. Looks like a really cool hike. It's not too terribly long, but it's a lot of water crossings and a little bit treacherous. Seems to be like the #1 hike to do on this road. Unfortunately, with the water crossings and things like that, and having Micah, we're gonna take a skip on it today. But here's what the parking looks like. Awfully full. So on a Sunday in the summer, looks like we could get a spot if we wanted, but it's gonna be awfully full. So know about that. But if you are coming, I would stop there and do that hike if you have the ability to. Spearfish Canyon Road. Is this something you need to go out of your way to go and do? No, but if you are in the Black Hills area, it is something you need to go out of your way to do. There's another road that we're going to hit up too that also is something you need to do, so look out for that in a future video. But it's definitely a nice road. I think you need to do the hike where you do the Devil's Bathtub. I wish we could have done it, but we'll do it next time. Other than that, it was a great drive. One of the better drives I've ever done. If you're looking for those canyon walls and things like that, awesome drive. If you're a motorcycle, there's a lot of motorcycles. Great motorcycle ride. Just right through Spearfish Canyon. Only about an hour drive total, if that, with a couple of nice stops along the way. So, end the video here. If you like the video, hit the like button now. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We're going to be in the Black Hills area. Going to have a whole series of videos from the Black Hills area just entering right now. So make sure you subscribe for that. Comment if you made it to this part of the video. Comment, let us know what you thought. Plenty more coming from South Dakota, Black Hills area, all across America on our way to back to North Carolina. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.
Blue